Meet the all-new Kindle Paperwhite, our thinnest, lightest yet. Now waterproof, with Audible, plus a sleek, modern design and twice the storage. Kindle Paperwhite is purpose-built for daily escapes, so you can read and relax in more places.
Toward the snowy mountains and streams, though not one was in sight. The landscape is only wavering foothills, roughened here and there with bushes and trees.
Notice, the price could have changed when you watch this video. You can check the current price and discount by clicking the link in the description below. Now, let's check some customer reviews.
Review by Kobe Creations. Can use my printer Bluetooth with it. First iPad I have purchased, so can't compare to past models. Very happy with it. Bought a protective case. Pen is on the way. Loading apps was easy. Using it quite simple for an old gal. 67 and plan on being a much older gal hugging face. Review by Dinraj. One of the best iPad under $350. If you owned a Galaxy or Samsung or LG, you will fall in love.